front of me is DOOGEE X95, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message on this device. First of all, you need to open Messages app. Now click on one of your chats and tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Then click on this icon with a picture and select Folders at the top. Following that, just hold one of your files that you wish to send. In my case, this video. When you're ready, click on Select at the top right corner. And as you can see after that, my video is over here. In order to send it, just click on Send button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!